Our sun is a star. It's a massive, glowing sphere of hot plasma held together by its own gravity. It's a giant ball of burning gas, primarily hydrogen and helium, undergoing nuclear fusion at its core. But did you know that one day it will die? Yes, even our seemingly eternal sun has a finite lifespan. And when it does, it will explode with the force of 1 billion bombs. This cataclysmic event is known as a supernova. It's true. Our sun won't last forever. In about 5 billion years, it will exhaust its nuclear fuel and undergo dramatic changes. It's a reality that's hard to imagine, but it's a fundamental truth of the universe. Stars, including our sun, have life cycles. Stars are born, they live, and they die. This cycle of stellar birth and death is essential for the evolution of the cosmos. And sometimes their deaths are spectacular. A supernova can outshine an entire galaxy for a brief period. The death of a star is more than just an end. It's a process that creates and disperses elements essential for life. It's a transformation, a cosmic event that sends energy and matter rippling across the universe. These waves can trigger the formation of new stars. It's a reminder of the incredible forces at play in the cosmos. The death of a star is a powerful testament to the dynamic and ever-changing nature of the universe. From the remnants of a supernova, new stars and planets can form, continuing the cycle of creation and destruction. So, while the death of our sun is inevitable, it also paves the way for new beginnings in the vast expanse of space. The universe is a place of constant change, where endings lead to new beginnings, and the cycle of life and death continues endlessly. As we look up at the night sky, we are reminded of our place in this grand cosmic dance, where stars are born, live, and die, leaving behind a legacy that shapes the universe. And in this vast, ever-changing universe, we find our own story, intertwined with the fate of the stars. A star's explosive fate is not just an end, but a new beginning, a testament to the beauty and power of the cosmos. Right now, our sun is in its prime, a magnificent celestial body that has been burning for over 4.6 billion years. It burns brightly, providing light and warmth to Earth, sustaining life and driving the processes that make our planet habitable. We depend on it for everything, from the food we eat to the air we breathe. Plants use sunlight to perform photosynthesis, creating oxygen and forming the base of our food chain. Life itself wouldn't be possible without the sun's energy. It powers the ecosystems that support diverse wildlife, and even fuels our renewable energy sources like solar power. It's easy to take the sun for granted, as it rises every morning and sets every evening, a constant presence in our lives that we often overlook. This daily cycle of rising and setting has been a reliable rhythm for millennia, guiding the natural world and human activities alike. But beneath its seemingly calm surface, the sun is a raging inferno, a dynamic and turbulent star with immense power. Deep inside its core, nuclear fusion reactions are taking place, where temperatures reach millions of degrees. Hydrogen atoms are fusing together, creating helium and releasing immense amounts of energy in the form of light and heat. This energy is what powers the sun and allows it to shine, sending life-sustaining rays across the solar system, reaching our planet and beyond. Throughout history, civilizations have revered the sun, building monuments and aligning structures to honor its life-giving presence. Today, scientists continue to study the sun, unlocking its secrets and understanding its vital role in our solar system. As we look to the future, harnessing the sun's energy more efficiently will be key to sustainable living and combating climate change. So next time you watch a sunrise or sunset, take a moment to appreciate our constant companion, the sun, and the incredible energy it provides. But what happens when the sun runs out of fuel? What happens when the hydrogen in its core is depleted? The answer is both fascinating and terrifying. When a star like our sun runs out of hydrogen, it begins to fuse helium. This process releases even more energy, causing the star to expand dramatically. It becomes a red giant. If this were to happen to our sun, it would swell to an enormous size. It would engulf Mercury, Venus, and even Earth. Our planet would be scorched and lifeless, consumed by the expanding star. But the sun's death throes don't end there. As it continues to fuse heavier and heavier elements, it eventually reaches a point where fusion can no longer occur. The core collapses in on itself. This collapse triggers a shockwave that travels outward through the star, ripping it apart in a cataclysmic explosion known as a supernova. For a brief time, the supernova outshines the entire galaxy. Luckily for us, our sun isn't massive enough to become a supernova. It will end its life as a white dwarf, a small, dense object that slowly cools over billions of years. But imagine for a moment if our sun did explode in a supernova. What would happen to life on Earth? The answer is simple: nothing would survive. The explosion would release an unimaginable amount of energy. It would vaporize everything in its path, including our planet. Earth would be reduced to its basic elements, scattered across the cosmos. The solar system as we know it would cease to exist. The planets would be flung out of orbit, lost in the vastness of space. The sun itself would be gone, replaced by a rapidly expanding cloud of gas and dust. Section 6. Ripples in the cosmic pond. But even in death, the sun would continue to influence the universe. The supernova explosion would seed the surrounding space with heavy elements. These elements, forged in the heart of the dying star, would eventually become part of new stars and planets. In a sense, the sun's death would sow the seeds for new life elsewhere in the cosmos. The death of a star is a powerful reminder of the interconnectedness of the universe. It shows us that even the most catastrophic events can have creative consequences. Section 7. A universe renewed. The universe is constantly evolving. Stars are born, they live, and they die. It's a cycle that's been repeating itself for billions of years. And while the thought of our own star exploding might seem frightening, it's important to remember that it's a natural process. It's a testament to the power and beauty of the cosmos. In the grand scheme of things, our planet and our sun are just tiny specks in a vast and ancient universe. But even in our smallness, we are part of something truly awe-inspiring. Section 8. Contemplating the cosmos. So the next time you look up at the night sky, take a moment to appreciate the stars. Each twinkling light is a reminder of the vastness of the universe, a universe that stretches far beyond our comprehension. Each one is a distant sun, burning brightly in the cold expanse of space. These stars are not just points of light, they are colossal nuclear furnaces, many times larger than our own sun. Some of these stars perhaps harbor their own planets, orbiting in the habitable zone where conditions might be just right for life to exist. Imagine the possibilities: worlds teeming with alien life, ecosystems entirely different from our own. And remember that even though our own sun will one day die, its life-giving energy will have sustained our planet for billions of years. The death of a star is not the end, but rather a transformation. The universe will go on. New stars will form from the remnants of the old, continuing the cycle of creation and destruction. It's a cosmic dance that has been going on for billions of years and will continue for billions more. New planets will be born, emerging from swirling disks of gas and dust. These young worlds will go through their own stages of development, potentially becoming cradles for new forms of life. And the cycle of life and death will continue, not just on Earth, but throughout the cosmos. Life, in its many forms, will find a way to thrive, adapt, and evolve. The universe is a place of both incredible violence and breathtaking beauty. Supernovae, the explosive deaths of stars, scatter elements across space, seeding new regions with the building blocks of life. It's a place where everything is connected, from the smallest particles to the largest galaxies. The death of one star can lead to the birth of countless others, a testament to the interconnectedness of all things. So as you gaze up at the night sky, remember that you are part of this grand cosmic story. The atoms in your body were forged in the hearts of stars, and one day they will return to the cosmos, continuing the cycle of creation and renewal. Section 9. Beyond the horizon. There's so much more to discover about the universe. We're only just beginning to scratch the surface of its mysteries. But with each new discovery, we gain a deeper appreciation for the wonders of the cosmos. So keep looking up, keep asking questions, and never stop exploring the universe and all that it holds. The journey of discovery is just beginning. What are your thoughts on the vastness of space and the power of stars? Share your insights and let's explore the universe together.